Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever had that hard thinking moment when your phone slips, hits the ground, and you pick it up to see a spider web of cracks across the screen? Your first thought is probably, oh, this is going to be expensive to fix. Well, today's video is going to save you a lot of money and a lot of headaches. We are going to show you how to fix that cracked screen without replacing it just by adding a layer of glass. Before we dive in, please hit that subscribe button. We have got tons of the DIY tech tips coming your way, and you won't want to miss them. Is your phone a candidate for this fix? Let me show you this Samsung S22 Ultra. It took a pretty nasty fall a few years ago, but luckily the display still works and the touch functionality is perfect fine. This is the perfect scenario for the messer. If your screen is cracked, but the image is still visible, and you can still interact with the touch screen, then you are in luck. This method will save you a tons of cash. As you can see, the cracks on this Samsung S22 Ultra started from the bottom left and spread almost entirely across the screen. If left untreated, moisture can easily get into those cracks and cause even more damage. So let's save it while we still can. I have already applied a screen protector to this phone, which has offered some protection. Now, let me show you how to test your own Samsung phone's touch screen. On your dial pad, what you want to do is to dial *0 start hyphen. This will take you to the Samsung's hidden user test interface. These are all sorts of tests in here, but we are going to focus on the touch option. Once you select touch, simply slide your finger across the screen. Wherever your finger goes, it leaves a line. If you can quickly swipe your finger and the lines are complete, then your touchscreen is working well. There are many other tests in this menu, but for our purpose, touch functionality is the most important. If your touch screen isn't working properly because of the cracks, then this method won't be suitable for you. The secret weapons, UV curable adhesive. As you can see, I have already applied a new layer of glass to this screen, and the touch performance is still excellent. I have been using it this way for 2 years without any issues. So let me show you exactly how I did it. Here is the Samsung S10 with a crack in the bottom left corner, but the screen is still fully functional. We are going to add a layer of reinforced glass to it. First, clean the surface through with the alcohol and remove any fingerprint or dust. Then grab your UV curable adhesive. This is the same types of material often used for nail art. Here is the crucial part. Drip the adhesive in 2 places, not too far apart. This allows the liquid to flow and combine naturally as you place the new glass on top. The 2 drops will naturally merge and spread out. Carefully place the new glass protector on the screen, slowly lowering it. This will create the effect you see on my phone. Of course, if you are not comfortable doing this yourself, you can always bring it to me, and it will still be significantly cheaper than replacing an entire screen. Curing the adhesive, a musical interlude. Now, it is the time to cure an adhesive and the UV light. You will want to cure each side for about 2 minutes. While we wait, I have got some music for you to enjoy. This is my own creation, released on YouTube Music, Spotify, and iTunes. Just search for my band, Melodic Embrace.
ふとした瞬間に君を見かけた。君は美しく咲く花のよう。僕は小さな草になりたい。君を包みそばで永遠に寄り添う。もし君が枯れてしまうなら、僕は雲になりたい。照りつける太陽を遮り、君の再び咲く時を待つ。その時僕は土になろう。君を潤し優しく育てる。命が僕らを巡り合わせた。この全てが永遠に続くように。もし君が枯れてしまうなら、僕は雲になりたい。照りつける太陽を遮り、君の再び咲く時を待つ。その時僕は土になろう。君を潤し優しく育てる。命が僕らを巡り合わせた。この全てが永遠に続くように。My beloved child， 好多话要说，在离别的时刻，生命催促着我们的离别。Don't cry for me, no tears, my love， 因为爱让我们幸福。 次相聚，在宇宙之间，在未来的日子，我们会再次相聚。Don't cry for me, no tears, my love. 爱让我们一起，我们紧紧拥抱，在梦中让我们再次相聚。未来的日子，我们会再次相聚。Hold back your tears in dream, we will meet again. And when 这生没有悔恨，只有爱，让我们紧紧拥抱，未来会再次相聚。Love you forever, even no time for us to wait. 拥抱你们的幸福，美好世界等待你们。你的幸福是我最大的安慰。Don't cry for me, we will meet together. Don't cry for me, because